All right, so yes, had to put my hair up. I am hot. So we're going to be moving to mopping the floors. Again, we are only doing the high traffic areas. This is not like a very thorough mopping. We'll be doing that when we get to our deep cleaning phase, but right now we're just doing the high traffic areas, the ones where people are walking in and out. So that might be an entryway. That's definitely a kitchen. If you have, I'm looking because I do, if you have tile or hardwood floors or laminate inside of your living room, then you might want to do a little bit there as well. I have been on the search for a spray mop, and I did review one on my channel. I'll link it below. But I will be doing a weekly home blessing with that one. Let's go. All right. So I'll tell you how I feel about this mop in actual use, like real good all over the floor use. There we go. So it is the CL Dream mop. And it's a lot like your Bona mop if you have one, but it's actually a commercial product, and you fill it with your own liquid. All right. So I am not spending a lot of time on this at all whatsoever because we just kind of want to do what is the term, a lick and a spit or something like that. We're not really getting like down and dirty, so to speak, with the cleaning. We just want to kind of take those high traffic areas and just make sure that they're not like crazy. All right. So if you have scuff marks, I have one right there. I'm just going to keep on going because I will get to it. I will. So this particular mop, I'm digging it because my Bona mop, the pads on it, as you can see, I'm really not pushing this around too hard. And yes, I know I'm walking where I just mopped. It'll be fine. It'll be okay. Literally, it will be fine. So the Bona mop, I did enjoy how well it cleaned. But at the same time, it was like it took all my energy to mop the floor. And you guys can see what we're doing, how much energy we're expending here, right? We're doing a lot in an hour. I don't want to be so exhausted after doing this, but I still want for it to be, clean. All right. So, yes, this is working out quite well. What's funny is I got to move you and still keep it here within time. I'll put you here. That way I don't have to move you as much. There we go. So, yes, I'm actually really kind of digging this mop a lot. Now, I already had a pad on it. If you have a Bona mop or something like that where the pads are Velcro and the mop pads will actually still work with this. And what's cool is the mop head piece of it, the pad, actually is going to go in the washing machine. So you can actually put it right in the washer. All right. Very good. Whew. Man. Yeah. It's working out kind of good. I'm glad I bought this thing. All right. Yeah, I've been on the search for the perfect mop. There we go. For years now, actually. And because I would get to liking a mop and then it would stop working, like the spray mops and stuff. I need something that's going to work for my family. I need something that's going to be nice and easy, not bulky. If you're the kind and you like to have the mops with the buckets and stuff like that, go you. For a weekly home blessing, you really don't need to go and get out a whole mop and bucket. To be fair, you can be just as good with, whew, still hot, just as good with like a Swiffer wet jet, or those ones where you go and you use the pads, like the baby wipe kind of things. Just know, depending on how much floor you have, you may go through a few of them. I did have one of those too when they first came out, because I like the idea of quick, easy to get the floor clean. But then I found I was going through a lot of those little refill things, and honestly, I don't want just a hassle-free home. I also want to have a hassle-free kind of budget too, a hassle-free bank account. So trying to figure out how to reduce costs there too. All right. So that's when I started trying to figure out options that will kind of work with what I'm trying to do. Now this area, yeah, you can kind of see. This area that I'm in right now is definitely going to take a lot more than just a weekly home blessing mopping. So I'm not going to fret. I'm not going to worry. I'm going to hit it when we do our deep cleaning. Let me move you. All right. Oh, yeah, we're doing good. Doing good on time. Now, we'll put you there. If I was doing this with my Bona mop, this would take me all of 10 minutes and then some, just to hit the middles, because of how strong the pads are. And it was my thought that with as strong of a grip as the pads felt like they had, it felt like maybe they were doing just that good of a job. And I mean, I guess on some level they did, but it was just so much work. And to be fair, the little sprayer thing stopped working. All right. So notice I didn't really go too much under the chairs at all. I'm done. Whew, gotta put my hair up. All right. Oh, well, I do have this little area here. I don't know if you could actually see that. We'll do this. So yes, the sprayer broke on me. And so then it's like it would stop spraying, and then I would have to click in the little refill thing, and then it would be fine for a few sprays, and then it would die on me again. And that's not cool. All right, where are we at? 9. All right, so it looks like we have about 1 minute and 30 seconds left. I am done. I'm going to take off. Look how, well, you can't see because it's dark brown or dark gray. I'm going to take my pad off. I'm going to put this back. and put it inside of the washing machine. All right. Ooh, sorry, that was kind of loud. I had a little cleaning station. I'm going to have to go ahead and have to declutter that. Ooh. I'm hot. My sinuses are going. We got 30 seconds left. Oh, guys, we're doing it. We're almost done. Almost done. All right, you have 20 seconds left. I'll sit back down here. Ooh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. We have the hardest part about the weekly home blessing done. So next we're going to go ahead and we are going to clean the mirrors, and we're probably going to have some time, so we might hit some windows too.